Thank you for checking out the EKKO Material Handling Equipment product line. This is the EK18 lithium powered 3-wheel forklift configuration. The capacity on this is 4,000 pounds. What we have nice on this feature is the compartment size here. Everything is readily accessible by just popping the hood. You have the battery here, you have the electronics here, and you have any connections you need to make right on the level of the battery. So that's very nice. The other nice thing is this, you could set down pretty easy. Well, it's a little new, but you put this down, make sure that the safety lock is on there. Make sure I'm on there. I think I'm on there. And the nice thing about this is all our units come with strobe, backup alarm, pedestrian rear light, tail lights, turn signals, LED front lights, and the rear view mirror for the operator. Very nice feature. The other thing that you can see from either side is we have a fourth function on all our units that are plumbed up through the upright. So you can add a hydraulic attachment like a slip sheet, a roll clamp, a push pull onto this truck relatively easily. The connection on that is right at the carriage, so all you need to have is quick disconnects to do that. Now what you can also see through the upright, visibility is very well. We have these in 189 and 212 mast heights available. We have an option on this truck of a non-marking tire. Most of our trucks come with a standard, but we do have option if you request it. This truck also comes with a suspension seat that you could adjust fore and aft. It also has a parking brake release foot. You push it down, you're releasing the parking. The other thing that I want to notice is we got a phone holder here for you to connect your phone or any display, and you also have a USB connection so you can power up. Not that we want to encourage operators to be listening to music, but they may have a scanner or something that they have to use. You have a seatbelt function on this truck, and we have a display. Let's go around to the display on this side. This has a self-diagnostic on it to make sure everything's operating properly, and then you have your speed, your direction of the rear wheel, so you know where the position of the wheel is when you turn the key on, and then you have 3 modes: slow, economy, and performance mode on these trucks. And it's all adjustable by the directional control valve lever on the left-hand side. It says mode, and you can set it based on what you want to do. So that's where we are. I'm going to run it up just to show you how smooth it is. Very fast. I'm not accelerating at all. Smooth. I'm not going to lift it up the whole way. Let it go down. It travels very fast going down as well. Visibility is very good in the upright. Great little unit. The nice thing about this unit is it's very competitive in the marketplace, priced well and very convenient, and our inventory is very good on these units. Please contact your EKKO dealer or EKKO Material Handling Equipment, and we'll assist you with finding a dealer near you. Thank you for checking out the EKKO Material Handling Equipment products.